Ciao, today we will talk about the DJI Osmo Pocket extensions, connections, adapters, audio interface. I will show you exactly what is working and what is not working. And I hope this information will help somebody to save some money before they buy something, or if you are watching this content because you have already some questions, I hope this will help you to answer those. So the first thing we will start today with is the USB Type-C extension. So this cable here is standard USB Type-C to USB Type-C extension cable. This can be short as this one or longer up to 1-2 meters. And if it's standard USB Type-C cable, it will do exactly the same as this short one. So the first thing I want to try out today is if this cable is capable to charge the DJI Osmo Pocket itself. So I will plug it underneath here. I will need this cable, which is standard USB Type-C to Type-A connector, which is widely used in your mobile phone charging and stuff like that. And I will need my power bank as well. So I'll simply plug it in. And as you can see, the light is on, so this means that this cable can charge the Osmo Pocket. Now, the next thing I will show you is that you can use this cable as well as extension cable if you want to connect this way with your phone. So I can plug it here, another end will go in my phone, and this way this cable will work as well. So next thing I want to kind of try out is the audio adapter. So to do that I need to turn on my DJI Osmo Pocket, and I will plug my audio adapter in my extension cable. And now I will plug it in here. So if it will work, it should pop out the notification that audio adapter is connected. As you can see, nothing is happening, so this means that this cable is not working and your audio adapter won't work. Let's try out with our wireless module, so I can plug it this way. So let's wait if you will see notification. And nothing is happening, so this means that any of those extensions, this small one, 1 meter long, 2 meters long, they won't work. And the reason for that is this cable can't provide power to our adapters, so that is the reason why they are not powering on and Osmo Pocket is not recognizing them. So the next thing I want to talk today is this small bit here. This is as well exactly the same as that extension here, so USB Type-C to USB Type-C port. It's kind of exactly the same, it's just short 90 degrees angle. So this piece here is Chinese made and it's not exactly the USB Type-C standard connection, and that can be probably one of the reasons why it may work. So to do that again, I will do my testing with my audio adapter. So if I will plug it in, I should get a notification that audio adapter is connected. And as you can see, it's showing the notification. So this audio adapter will work with this kind of 90 degrees angle. And let's see if it will work with audio with our wireless module. So I will do again exactly the same. So I will plug it here and I will plug my audio adapter, my wireless module. And let's wait a bit. And as you can see, nothing is happening. So for audio adapter, or for our wireless module, this kind of adapter is not really working. But let's do that. Let's try to flip it around. And we are getting notification. So we are getting notification about this piece here. So we need to remove. So if you want to use your wireless module, you can't use this plug here. So you have two options. One option is you can simply remove it, or you can flip it around. This will be the same as if it's like removed. So what I will do, I will simply remove it now. And as you can see, the wireless module light came on, the notification was here. So interesting bit about this one is that it works one way, but it doesn't work around like other way. So this is the reason, just like I said before, it's not the standard USB Type-C to USB Type-C kind of extender. And this piece here can provide the power for our adapters. So audio adapter will work both ways, but wireless module will work only one way. Why I have this piece here is just because I had for my ultimate vlogging rig set up like this, where I plug in my audio adapter. And in this setup, as you can see, if I will plug in my kind of microphone, it sticks out very far away, and accidentally, when it's on my extension rod, I can put it somewhere and I can easily break this. So that was one of the reasons why I was looking for a solution. And this was the solution I found so far. So as you can see, I can plug it here. And now if I will plug my audio adapter here, it doesn't stick so far anymore, and it's much safer to kind of move around. So that was the reason why I bought this 90 degrees angle. So I will put the link down below in the description if you want this 90 degrees angle for yourself, so you can find it. The next thing what I want to show you today is the sent from one of my subscribers. So thank you, Roger, for sending this adapter. So this is very interesting piece here. So as you can see, I have a USB Type-C connection down here. Then I have another port here which I can use to charge at the same time, and the audio interface is here. So icon is showing kind of headphones, but I did test already before, and it's act as the audio output and microphone input, so you can use it for both of them. So let's find out if this piece will work with our Osmo Pocket. So if I will plug it in, it should pop the notification that it found the audio adapter. So let's wait a little bit. As you can see, nothing is happening, so this means that this audio adapter is not working. Reason for that, it's first of all not specifically made for DJI Osmo Pocket, and that is the main reason. This piece is very good when you are when you can use it with your mobile phone. So let's say if you want to listen to music, you can plug in your headphones and you can still charge your phone, especially in these days where we are having phones just with USB Type-C port itself and there is no headphone jack. So this as well can be used if you have headphones with microphone. It will work as well that way, so you can use for online talking. So it's very kind of solid what it is, but in this case it's not for the DJI Osmo Pocket and it won't work. So the next thing I want to talk today is the audio interface. And when it's come to audio interface, as you can see, we have microphones and kind of same connection, but if I will go closer, as you can see, they are a bit different. And let me show you the image now. So as you can see in this image, there is three kind of options for our audio interface connection. The first one is tip and sleeve, which is TS and mono connection. This is kind of coming from old days when we had only microphones plugged in, where we need just ground and the signal sender wire. So there is two kind of wires in this cable. In these days you're not gonna find them anymore probably, because now the standard is kind of TRS or TRRS. So TRS stands for tip, ring and sleeve, as you can see in the middle piece. So this is the stereo connector. This means that one of the connections is the ground and left and right channel in this case. And then the last one is TRRS, which stands for tip, ring, sleeve. And this is mostly and widely used for the mobile phones, so it can handle stereo output and it can handle input as well from your microphone at the same time. The middle one is the mostly and widely used in the DSLR cameras and in old days like headphones, which we had for audio, kind of Walkman stereo players and stuff like that. But yeah, so the biggest difference between them will be that DJI Osmo Pocket is using tip, ring and sleeve connectors. So if you have a microphone with tip, ring and sleeve connector, in most cases it will work with your DJI Osmo Pocket. If the connector is tip, ring, sleeve, this connector won't work with your Osmo Pocket. Now let me show you another image. So in this image you can see there is as well tip ring sleeve connector for this microphone setup, but there is a box in between where we have a switch. So the switch, we have one option is camera, another option is smartphone. So as you can see, this microphone will work with your DJI Osmo Pocket. If it's switched to camera mode, what's happening? It's just that we have a tip ring sleeve connector, but it will play up as a tip ring and sleeve connector in this case if it's switched to camera mode, and this microphone will work. So I know it can be a little bit complicated, but just to let you know that what's kind of happening and how it's gonna work and why it's gonna work. So all that being said, I hope I answered your questions. If you still have some questions, leave them down below in the comment section. If this information was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like. In the upcoming episode, I will talk about the wireless modules. So we will compare modified module with unmodified module, and we will try and do some deeper testing to find out are they exactly the same or is there any differences between them. So if you are interested about that one, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao!